is the action of bending or the condition of being bent, especially the bending of a limb or joint. It is the state of being extended in the knee or stretched out, that by which something is extended or enlarged, an addition, a forum extension to a house. The movement of a limb or other part away from the midline of the body or from another part. Adduction is the movement of a body part toward the body's midline. So if a person has their arms straight out of the shoulder and brings them downward to their side, it is adduction. It consists of a combination of flexion, extension, abduction, and adduction, with milling the arms and rotating the hand from the wrist are example of circumduction. During opposition, the thumb is rotated around its long axis. It has been said the human civilization depends upon the position of the thumb. Movement that results in a portion of the body being moved forwards on a plane parallel to the ground. Movement of the body part to side is called lateral flexion. This type of movement is commonly associated with the neck etc. For example, when you move your head toward one of your shoulder or bend your body sideways, you're performing a lateral flexion. Rotation refers to movements made about the longitudinal axis and the transverse plane. Internal rotation is rotating a joint towards the midline, and external rotation is rotating a joint away from the midline.